What's going on, y'all? This your boy Good Life Johnson, and I'm back with another video. All right, y'all, man, this is my last and final day in the States, man. My last and final day. It's official. I'm about to catch my flight early in the morning tomorrow, and I'm gonna be headed to my first country. You gotta stay tuned in, see exactly which countries I'm going to. I'm not gonna really tell you right now. Stay tuned in for that, because it's gonna be a movie, man. I'm telling y'all, raw, uncut vlogs. Y'all gonna see everything. Also, this is my last and final video as far as the whole mailbox opportunity. The money's still gonna be coming in and everything like that, but of course I won't be able to make any videos or open up packages until I come back to the States, which is gonna be about 3 or 4 months from now. So it's gonna be a lot of packages at the post office, pretty much. But I also wanted to show y'all, like I told you on my last video, I wanted to show y'all these bags. Y'all seen the Good Life backpack? All right, y'all seen this? But I also wanted to show you the Good Life sling bag. You know what I'm saying? For the people that be rocking these, man, it's come in handy, especially when you're taking trips out the country and stuff. It's definitely come in handy. And then the Good Life duffel bag. So yeah, the Good Life duffel bag, the sling bag, and then the backpack. So just wanted to show y'all, man. I'm about to come out with this, man. I'm gonna probably launch this probably in about 3 months. Probably when I come back. Also, everybody was asking about the camouflage hats, so I'm gonna launch that as well, so you can order that. But let's go and open up these packages. Gotta get this stuff knocked out, man. I got a lot of errands I gotta run, last minute errands before this flight I gotta catch in the morning, man. It's like a 5:30, 6 o'clock flight or whatever, man. Got 2 packages from me and 1 from my mama. So it's gonna open up my mama's first. As you can see, well, this truck just came and pulled up in front of me, but we at the bank. You can see over there. Let me go pull on this side. This truck pulled right in front of me and stuff. We'll pull on the other side of this truck. Yeah, so the bank is right there. So the moment I get done opening up these packages, well, I don't know if it's cash or checks. I don't know yet, so we'll see. But yeah, right in front of the bank. Hopefully it's cash, really. Hopefully it's all cash money, so I ain't gotta worry about going to the bank or going through the bank. But let's open up my mama's first. See what she got. Let that to the side. All right, cool. Nice little $300 check. $300 check right there. Angela Star. 300. All right, so we open up the next 2. See what we got right here. Okay, yes sir. 1,430. 1,430. So that's why I say, man, this mailbox money is good, man. Like I said, you can do a lot with it, man. Pay some bills, take a little vacation. You can do a lot with the money, man. So, and they be coming in lump sums. It don't be no just $10 commissions, $20 commissions here or there. They come in lump sums. You might got $1,000 commission, 2,000, 3,000, you just never know. And then multiple checks might come throughout the day. I mean, within that day or whatever. Oh, there's some cash right here. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 75. All right, so $75. Just a quick ad real quick. What was that first one? 1,000. Let's add these up. Let's see. 1,430. 1,430 plus 300 plus 75. So $1,800 came in. 1,805. So $1,800 came in today. Not too bad. Catch a flight tomorrow. And just enjoy ourselves out there, enjoy our time. You already know I gotta take my mama everywhere I go when I take trips and stuff, so she definitely got to experience everything with me, you know. So I told y'all, man, I made that promise when I was 14 that one day we're gonna be living the good life. We're gonna travel all around the world and everything like that. So got to keep my word. So that's why I see my mama with me everywhere I go. You know, of course I can take anybody, I can take whoever, you know what I'm saying? But you know me, I'd rather take somebody who was there since the beginning stages, man. From when I was dead broke, sleeping in my car, going through that real struggle when I was dead broke, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna just take some random person and say, hey, let's take a trip, let's go across the world. Like, nah, man, I'm taking my mama, you know what I'm saying? Family. You know, of course the ultimate goal is to be able to take my whole family on these vacations, taking trips all across the world, but you know, everybody dealing with their own situations and stuff, dealing with life. So it's just, you know, it's just not the right time right now, but it is what it is. Got my mama with me, so we're gonna definitely enjoy ourselves. But let me roll through this bank real quick. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So, about to put this in here real quick. $1,430. Cash this on out.
Hey there, Eric.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thank you.
No problem.
Cashing?
Yeah, just cashing.
Okay.
Just all hundreds.
All hundreds?
Yeah, all hundreds.
Okay.
All right. Maybe put like 5,000 too, matter of fact.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, I need to make a withdrawal as well on my personal account.
From the personal?
Yeah.
Okay, let me send the form right out.
Okay, appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah. Gotta put this put some money in my investment account before I leave. I almost forgot. Man. Definitely gotta have your money working for you while you out, while you traveling. I'm saying that, or just in general, your money should be working for you at all times. So definitely while I'm traveling, while I'm gone for 3 or 4 months, I gotta have investments, in place, so I can be, so I can enjoy myself. That's the ultimate goal when you travel. You want to enjoy yourself. You don't want to be thinking about any type of bills or any type of money going out, money coming in. Like, you want to just enjoy yourself, set your whole entire business on autopilot. That's why you definitely need to get my system, man, the Good Life Automation system, where you can set your whole business on autopilot. Click the link down below if you want to get information about that. Check that out. That's one of the ways I, put everything on automation or autopilot when I'm gone. It does all the work for me. I don't have to worry about touching or, really getting on social media or nothing like that, or trying to do all this extra stuff, checking messages, and, I ain't got to do all that. I let the system do all the work for me. So, like, when I'm gone, man, I don't want to focus on nothing, man. I don't want to focus on nothing dealing with work. You know what I'm saying? When I travel out the country, it's just strictly enjoying myself. I'll raise this up real quick. All right, so pretty much I took out, of course, the money. Hold on, let me see, make sure. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 50. All right, so I took out 5,000. So I got to go put this in my investment account. So this is the 5,000 I just took out, and this is the money from the check that I cashed. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 30. So 1,430 right here. All right, so nothing has changed. You can still cash the checks. It's never gonna stop, even while I'm out the country. It's still gonna be the same, y'all. Still gonna be the same. Let me pull up real quick. I'm about to go take this this 5,000. Like I said, I can't just have my money sitting around doing nothing, especially while I'm gone. Pull up real quick. Yeah, my money gotta be working for me at all times, y'all. So like I said, if your money is sitting around doing nothing right now, man, what's the point? What's the point of your money sitting in the bank collecting dust? If you got some money, you know, it's best to invest it. It's the only way to get ahead in life. You gotta invest. So this is the 5,000 right here. And then this is the, like I said, the 1,000. Or 1,500 almost. So I just wanted to show y'all. But yeah, everybody wanna stick to working, you know. They try to get multiple jobs, 2 or 3 jobs and stuff. They think that's gonna be the trick to get out their situation, out the struggle, but that's not the trick. That's not the solution, y'all. Invest your money, man, and build a business, man. Build an empire. So with that being said, y'all, it's Team Good Life, Mailbox Millionaires. Brought it to the top as a team. Success is the only option. You already know, man, it's GLOE. It's Good Life over everything, y'all. Let's get this money. I'm out.
I do this for my last name, gotta carry it, got back pains. Gotta like the lead away, I'ma carry it like Tubman. Was really in that storm, I don't care if you wasn't. Probably ran in your store, taking everything like it's nothing. Really from the mud, I could tell you how it wasn't. I could tell you how it wasn't. I could tell you we ain't had nothing, no, yeah, it was each other. Them niggas ain't my blood, but them niggas like my brother. PIC the pimp house, I could never leave my brothers. As you know, it been a while, they done missed a couple summers. Broken put the pistol down, his mommy going under. He loaded 50 rounds, ready to bring the thunder. Ready to bring the